Endegoni. Paramukonyi. Andogenani matwa mewatano anatia atiwa hojotia.
Emiranga n'okwazirana bibuutikidde abatuuze ku kyalo Kigwanywa mu muluka gwa Mpomwe mu ggombolola y'Ekigumba mu disitulikiti y'Ekiryandongo oluvannyuma lw'okumenya amayumba gaabwe emmere possa n'ebisolo byabwe. Bano balumiriza ssentebe wa disitulikiti y'Ekiryandongo Edith Aliguma wamu n'omubaka wa pulezidenti mu kitundu kino okubeera emabega w'ebikolwa by'effujjo ebibakoleddwako nga kati bawanjagidde minisita omubeezi ow'eby'ettaka Dr. Sam Mayanja okubayamba.
Andakonyi yindang anbaramukonyi yindahi anbaramukonyi ateda yate duogo na hatontin yo dusubinu borani roj endegoni paramukonyi andogenani matwa mewatano anatia atiwa hojotia.
Ettaka erivuddeko embetezi liwerako yiika z'ettaka ezisoba mu 100 kyokka nga mayumba g'abantu agasoba mu 80 agamenyeddwa. Bano bagamba baasenga ku ttaka mu mwaka gwa 1965 nga kwe kuli n'ebijja byabwe.
Sasa sisi tuko na shida sana mwenye LC imeletea si kwa charo, imeleta sisi shida kubwa. Chakula yetu wamelima yote chini. Sisi namna watoto taanza kusoma hakuna. President Yoweri Museveni, sisi tunapenda wewe.
Bakoseddwa mwe muli ne Namukadde Malitina Akuto omuzibe atemera mu gy'obukulu emyaka 80 nga gwe tutuukidde mu kitundu kino tusanze asobeddwa nga kyasigazza kyekijja kya bbaawe Akuto yafa mu mwaka gwa 2021.
Inatija vitu yote inaingiza chini. Hakuna kitu hata moja hata nini ya kukula hakuna, na chakula bila naanguza yote chini. Inakaa tu hivyo bure tu hivyo. Baada ya sijui tapana sijui tafanya nini. Mungu peke yake ndiye anajua.
Ngara president ngaraka. Kideso ngaraka nga president ngara kisiloli pokongo.
Museveni.
Ngaraka nga president.
Tukitegeddeko nti ensonga z'ettaka zino zaava dda eyo mu mwaka gwa 2003 kyokka nga batuuze balumiriza kkooti enkulu ey'e Masindi okusala omusango guno mu ngeri y'ekyekubiira.
My name is Amukola Murray Spencer. I was born in a Kigonya too. My father came this way in 1965 and he got this land. In this land, there's a current LOC5 by name Saluguma Edith. She's grabbing our land using RDC office. This land, my father got in 72 after he came here in 1996, 95. From there, we've been there in this land for all that time. Edith's father was a good friend to my father. My father could used to visit them in their home, and even us used to come to this side of our home. All that time, he had no problem with them. We used to pray in the same church. I used to share together. We used to bury together. We used to share the social lives together. But when Edith came to power, that's when he elected her to be a councillor in Masi district, she changed her mind, and she began saying that this land belongs to them. Their father had no much interest of the land, but herself is the one who inspired the land that is hers. I went to court, land tribunal. The case was judged ex parte judgment. Okay, we applied to High Court Kampala, and the files were transferred to Masindi. Masindi, our lawyers followed the case and he rejected the case. But all along, we have been waiting for the judgment. The judgment has come. When we were there waiting for a judgment, they gave us eviction letter that you are given 90 days to leave the place. From there, we went and contacted our lawyer. Our lawyer again filed a case for stopping eviction in Kiradongo and in Masindi. Okay, the case which is in Masindi is the main case which allows to appeal in High Court so that our land.
Kigambibwa nti nga 8 omwezi ogwokuna omwaka guno omubaka wa pulezidenti ng'ali wamu ne ssente wa disitulikiti eno y'Ekiryandongo Aliguma Edith baalabula abatuuze ne babategeeza nti bayina ekiragiro kya kkooti nga ssaawa yonna tebeeyibaala baakugobwa ku ttaka lino.
Lakini sasa saa hii watu ya chini wameharibu wewe jina yako. Sasa sisi tunabaki kama maskini kwa charo, kuanza siku 3 mwenye sisi iko si hapana kula, chakula yote wamemwaga chini, watoto wanalia hapo, watoto wanasoma yote wamerudi nyumbani, vitabu wameharibu, kila kitu tumeharibika kwa boma, kuna faida. Saidia sisi, utasaidia sisi namna gani? Mahitaji tunataka kwako, tamsaidia sisi namna gani? Sisi iko kwa fasi mbaya.
Kisinga okuluma abatuuze bwe butalaba ku kiragiro kya kkooti kino nga nekyaddiridde kubadde kumenya mayumba gaabwe, okutemaatema ebisolo byabwe kw'ossa n'okusaanyaawo emmere nga mu kiseera kino mpaawo kibasigazza mu bulamu bwabwe.
Kana tie pur por chiele kani por pemira pur do konya da chete ko ni andong joko be ana bina chiem dusu pengi no beri chiem da ya ring bot policia metia puri por are adonye na bot policia ko bi polici konya polici kar porena chiele kani kar de pura uno ranga ko pe ate chamu kere ngote na nani tina nani atero kwena tina boro kana tero da ye pe polici konya uno polici te ko bi in wod bon mama anda te ya kan de cha ringo dog na borre dog pengucha akonya tinwa konya tinwa indo wari ko porjani porni en we policy pe pur kade ko ni porni ranga no dang dong pamito kisa chiem dang dong tianeka indong tero ranga no weg ben megi tinwa konya weg no ranga no ben megi.
Wakati mu mbeera eno abatuuze tukitegeddeko nti abamu ku bano bakwatiddwa ku biragiro bya ssentebe wa disitulikiti eno nga n'abamu ku bakwatiddwa mpaawo bibamanyi mayitire gaabwe.
Aenda huko nikasema wa jamaa polisi do saidia do, niko na watoto yangu 5 munye baba yao amekufa akawacha mimi, saidia kwa mwogo. Nasema sign karatasi, nikasema pana sign, yani pana jua maneno. Nilipata wa chama ya ng'ambo huko munyapana kwako pandei ndio nikakimbia paka Kigomba na guo yangu hii na mkono yangu bado sapsana mguu kwa polisi. Nilienda huko nikaanguka huko, wanasema sida gani? Nikasema sida mwenye nilipata LC5 amekuja kuvunja nyumba yangu yote, guo yote, kila kitu yote. Nikasema saidia do, alikuwa maambia mimi nitoe kikopo do, nitumie maji do. Sasa nitumia maji na nini? Wakasema enda kiria dogo kwa district. Nikasema nikarudi, nikakutana dito ingine wanasema ati hii watu ya Kigomba mwenye wale wacha huko ndio hiyo. Nikakuja mpaka nyumbani. Nilifika nyumbani ninapata mtoto hii mtima leo. Ninapata mtoto hii amelalisa hapo. Matapara amepiga iko kulala. Nikaomba bibi moja pesa. Ninasema patie pesa nichukue mtoto hii kwa daktari. Akapatia pesa. Nikachukua mtoto hii kutibu mguu hii. Haya nikarudi mimi nalalanga kwa kiwanja hapo. Chakula hakuna, kila kitu yote hakuna. Basi mwenye mahindi iko anafunika. Basi mwenye mwogo iko wanafunika. Wa jamaa itakuwa na nini? Tena miko na watoto 10. Ingine nasoma P7. Itatoa pesa wapi? Ingine iko S1. Watoto 2 iko kwa P7. Watoto 2 iko kwa P6. Hii yote hakuna kitu mwenye mimi naenda kutoa. Watoto Isaya anarudi nyumbani. Hapana soma.
Ssentebe w'eggombolola eno ey'Ekigumba Olama Isaac Museveni yennyamidde olw'ebikolwa eby'effujjo era bw'atyo n'ategeeza nti wakukunga abantu bano beeyiwe ku nguudo za disitulikiti eno balage obutali bumativu bwabwe.
Olama Isaac Museveni, I'm the chairman LC3 Kigumba sub-county. It is really a very sad moment that our people have been evicted in a way that we don't understand. We did sit in the office of the RDC. That was on the 8th, and the eviction happened on the 10th. And according to the court order, the eviction was supposed to be implemented on the 20th. But it is not yet even 20th, and the eviction people were already evicted on the 10th. And as you have seen, people's crops have been destroyed in the garden. People don't have food now to eat. People's houses have been demolished. People don't have shelter. So it's really a very sad moment. I'm really so sad that our people have been evicted in a way that we really don't understand. And it is very sad that such a thing is happening by we, the leaders. So it is so sad. We pray that such things do not really happen.
Now what next?
Yeah, actually, we were planning to have a sitting together with the community, and I was in touch with the office of the RDC just yesterday, and I think tomorrow, together with the community, we have to reach the office of the RDC, and the RDC, as the person who chaired that meeting, has to explain to the community why it has really happened in this way. So I think the RDC has the best answer to that, because the security was also involved in this, and I believe the security coming on the ground, the office of the RDC must allow, give leeway for the security to come on ground.
Mukaweefube waffe nga Mzone Television yagudde ku ntebe oluvannyuma lw'okunoonya ssentebe wa disitulikiti eno Aliguma Edith ku lukomo lw'essimu ne kizuulwa ng'essimu ze teziriiko. Okusinziira ku alipoota y'obuzi bw'emisango ya poliisi ey'omwaka oguwedde, endooliito ku ttaka zeeyongedde n'ebitundu 46 n'obutuntundu 5 okuviira ddala ku misango 271 mu mwaka gwa 2023 okutuuka ku misango 397 nga muno mwe muli n'enkayana z'ettaka.
Mimi nataka kuongea hivi, kama nyinyi watu ya charo ya Kiganywa tu, maana yake tunafirua loss kwa kijiji yetu. Na habari ya Dongo, kwa machachi yangu namna mimi nasema, kwa haki kama ilikuwa kesi iko ilikuwa inafaa, mimi shama nijue kitu gani natendeka. Nyuma baadaye tukapata barua kutoka tarehe 1 mwezi wa 4 mwaka hii, ameita sisi kama tunatoka sisi watu 3, kama wanaita mmoja hapa Omodoi Erukana, Olobupita, Zakaria Lote. Sasa kwa maongeo tulisema tukue namna gani, tukakuwa mzuri. Kama mimi chama nikasema nyinyi RDC au wale ambao kufuatana na Dongo, mkuje mcheki shari yangu muone namna boma hii iko namna gani. Na tayari boma nyuma kidogo tarehe 25 bila kufika nikasikia wamevamia boma.
Tubaka kaseera nga tubasuubiza nti tugenda kusituka tusimbe amakanda mu kitundu kino tumanye ate bwe gugenda okuba ku nsonga z'ettaka zino, era nga tubagamba nti wano ku Mzone Television tumala gakkiriza nga bulijjo kufiirwa ttaka lyo nga munnange weetuli tusobola okukuyamba.
Half of the graces here which have been buried, my people in long ago there. So I don't know now, where am I going to pick them and put them, as she has now did what she has did in this place. That's why I'm requesting the government to help me and show me where am I going to go. And I know, and there is no place which I can go, because I came here when I was still young, up to today. So now I have my children, which are in school. They are 8. How can I manage to take them in school? Yet now all of them, they are at home because of this problem. That's what I can tell you, so that government can help me. Thank you.